Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about how to enable the focus mode in Power BI. So I've got a Power BI file here open with me, and I've also uploaded this to GitHub, and I will leave a link to the file in the video notes so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So let's say I've got this page in Power BI, and I've got the data, which is basically the sales data, and it's showing me the sales data by different dimensions. So this is this one is by country, this one is by product, this one is by country name, and this one is again by the year. And let's say I want to look at, like, this one seems a little like it seems to contain a lot of detail. And if I want to focus onto it and see what this contains, or maybe improve the size, so what I can do is I can select this and then hover over to this and go to see that focus mode. So if I select this and go on to this square and I click on it, it becomes like that specific visual gets highlighted, and then I can look at the numbers, and it's still interactive. So, and I can go back to the report, and let's say I like something else and I want to check this, so I can again go and click that visual and select and click on the focus mode. And that's a way to sort of, if there's too much detail in one specific visual, you could put it into a highlighter or a focus mode and view what's sitting inside it. So in this video we learned how to enable or how to turn on a visual, or how to look at a visual in focus mode. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video.